Good morning, children. Last class we have to finish about the density, different types of density, and density of some common substance and room temperature. Today session is astronomical unit. See, we all know that the Earth revolves around the Sun on an elliptical orbit. Hence, the distance between the Sun and the Earth varies every day. When the Earth is in its perihelion position, perihelion is position of the shortest distance where between the Earth and the Sun. Okay, this is Sun. Okay, around the Earth. See, this is perihelion's position. It is the very shortest distance. Perihelion means what? A position of the shortest distance between the Earth and the Sun. How much? 147.1 million kilometer. Okay. Next, the distance between the Earth and the Sun is about 147.1 million kilometer. Okay. When the Earth is in the farthest means what? A long distance. Farthest means what? A long distance. That is the distance between Earth and Sun is the largest distance. That is what? A perihelion position. Listen, see, this is Sun, this is Earth, this is largest distance. This is Sun, this is Earth, this is largest distance. You have to rounding time. See how much this is 152.1 million kilometer. See, the distance is 152.1 million kilometer. The average distance between the Earth and the Sun is about 149.6 million kilometer. The average distance is taken is 1 astronomical unit. This is only, which is the average. The average distance between the Earth and the Sun is about 149.6 million kilometer. This average distance is taken as 1 astronomical unit. What is 1 astronomical unit? The average distance between the Earth and the Sun is about 149.6 million kilometer. This average distance is taken as 1 astronomical unit. Okay. Now understand this topic. This is Sun around the Earth. This is hottest. This is Sun. N around the Earth is around the Sun. This shortest distance is called a perihelion. This is distance is 147.1 million kilometer. This is largest distance called a perihelion, 152.1 million kilometer. But average distance, okay ma'am, this is our shortest distance, longest distance. But average distance between the Earth and the Sun about 149.6 million kilometer. The average distance is astronomical unit. Neptune 30 AU away from the Sun. It is the means the 30 times farther than the Earth. Neptune, you know that solar system, that is which one last is here. Neptune is the 30 times farthest, 30 times long distance having that. See, one astronomical unit defined as the average distance between the Earth and the Sun. One astronomical unit defined. How do you one astronomical defined? The average distance between the Earth and the Sun. Okay, ma'am. 1 A is equal to 149.6 million kilometer is equal 149.6 into 10 power 6 kilometer. This is astronomical unit. This formula. This is very important. Have to memory. Next, light year. The nearest star to our solar system is Proxima Centauri. It is the distance 2000. See, listen, 1, 10, 100,000, 10,000, lakhs, 2,68,770 AU. We can clearly see that using AU for measured distance for stars would be and widely. Therefore, astronomers use a special unit called light year. Okay, wow. Listen, light year means what? We can clearly see the using a AU of measuring distance of stars would be unwidely. Therefore, astronomer uses special unit called light year for measuring the distance in keep space. We have learned that the speed of light in vacuum is 3 into how much? 10 power 3 into 10 power 8. How much light year? 3 into 10 power 8. That is 8 meters second. That means light travels distance of 10 power 8 mm into 1 second. In a year non-leap, there is 365 days. Each day how many hours? 24 hours. Each hour how many minutes? 60 minutes. Each minute has 60 seconds. That's the total number of seconds in 1 year. How many days? 365. This is days. This is days. This is what? Hours. This is what? Minutes. This is second. In 1 year. So totally this answer is how much? 3.153 into 10 power 7 second. Okay. If the light travels distance 3 into 10 power 80 mm in 1 second, in 1 second, light travels how many travel? 3 into 10 power 8 second. The distance traveled by the light in 1 year, 3 into 10 power 8 into 3.153 into 10 power 7 is equal to 9.46 into 10 power mm. The distance known as light year. This is also very important. Light year how much? See, for a 1 year this is. Okay. 1 light year defined as the distance traveled 1 year defined as the distance traveled by vacuum during the period of 1 year. 1 light year. How much 1 light year? 9 power 46 into 10 power 50 meter. In terms, light year, Proxima Centauri is at 4.22 light years from Earth and the solar system. The Earth is located about the 25,000 light years away from the galactic center. I hope understood this topic. What is astronomical unit? What is a perihelion? What is a epihelinion? The astronomical, what is astronomical unit? That is formula also. Next, what is light year? That is how much is number. This is what is a light year. 1 light year how much? This all you can. I hope this and all you understood. Thank you, children.